This lens is one of my favorite lenses that money can buy. Find out why in today's episode. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm talking all about the Canon 50mm 1.8 prime lens. Now this is one of my favorite lenses of all time, and it's incredible because it's actually the cheapest lens that I currently own. I bought this lens for £100 on Amazon. So to begin with, one of the reasons why I love this is the cost. As I say, it only costs £100, and that's incredible for what it offers. Now the second reason why I love this lens is because of the low aperture that it can drop down to. This is a 1.8 lens. This means that your aperture is going to be able to open up to f1.8. That's incredible. If you put this lens on your camera and you drop down to your f1.8, you focus on somebody in the foreground, you're going to get that delicious bokeh in the background. This is that blurriness in the background, and this is always seen to be really cinematic. Now, of course, another advantage of having a lower aperture lens is that you can shoot in low light conditions. Opening up your aperture lets more light into your camera, and this means that you're going to be able to shoot into the evening for longer. I shoot a lot of my videos on the Canon 24 to 105mm lens, as this is a great zoom lens. However, the problem is with this lens is it's an f4, meaning that when it gets to around dusk, it's just way too dark, and everything that I film on this lens is just going to look like absolute garbage, and it's going to be really noisy. I swap over to the 50mm 1.8, and all of a sudden I've got this extra range of light that I currently didn't have before on the other lens. This means that I can carry on shooting for hours after using the other lens, and I won't have that horrible grainy footage. This lens gives me the ability to shoot for longer. Now, the third reason why I love using this lens is its versatility. I bought this lens 5 years ago, and I used it with my first digital SLR. That was the Canon 1100D. Now, when I got rid of that and moved up to the Canon 550D, this lens fit onto the new Canon 550D. When I got rid of that camera and moved up to the Canon 5D Mark III, again, this lens fit that camera perfectly. It is a Canon lens, so it will only fit onto Canon cameras. However, I do use it on my Sony FS7 with the use of a Metabones adapter. Now, even though this lens was only £100, I've used it throughout most of my filmmaking career, and it's been to pretty much every single video shoot that I've ever been to. It's a really small, really compact, really professional, really amazing, really affordable lens, and if you're interested in filmmaking or photography, then I would seriously recommend looking at this and adding this to your kit list, because it will change the way you shoot. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.